right, this is the question you were asking about. I've been doing blood testing for viral infection. The procedure can be made more efficient and less expensive by combining partial samples in different blood specimens. If samples from 5 people are combined and the mixture tests negative, we know that all 5 individual samples are negative. Find the probability of a positive test for 5 samples combined into one mixture. Assuming the probability of an individual blood sample testing positive is 0.04. So in order for there to be a positive test result, that means at least one of the people in this group, at least one of the 5 has to test positive. So there can be 1 positive result, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. So you can find the probability of all 4 of those possibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, all the 5 of those possibilities. Or it would be easier if I'm saying, if I want to find the probability of 1 or more positives, that's just the same thing as saying 1 minus the probability of all negative. Okay. The only other possibility, if I have 1 or more positive, would be as if there's 0 positives or all negatives. So I'm just going to use the complement to figure out what this is by taking the probability of all negatives and subtracting it from 1. So this is going to be 1 minus, what's the probability of the first person is a negative result? Well, if the probability of a positive result is 0.04, then the probability of a negative result is 0.96. It's 0.96 for the first person, 0.96 for the second person, 0.96 for the third person, and so on. So this is just going to be 1 minus 0.96 to the, if there's 5 people, 5th power. So we'll do 0.96 to the 5th power. And then we'll take that and we'll subtract that from 1. 1 minus that. So my answer will be 18.46. So the 1 decimal place would be 18.5%. That translates.